This is the first video for FoxTow Dispatch. This is a real customer with real data. And if I double click on a record, I can pull it up and see information about it. Go ahead and pull another record up. The calls that have colors have been holding, they have not been dispatched, and the calls that are black and white have already been dispatched to a driver. This up here are the names of the drivers, and this is the truck number that they're in. And down below, this is the time that they cleared last. Over here we have a way of editing records and adding a new record. And we have a place for appointment tows. These are appointment calls. Right here we have a button called History, which is little thing in the computer that keeps track of everything that's happened so far. Records that have cleared and so forth. These are the drivers, and this is where you put them on duty and off duty and stuff. So we can look and see this particular driver, driver number 30, which is named Bob 16, is off duty. I can put this particular person on duty. When I close this, it's going to add it to the screen up there. So we also have a thing called priorities over on the far left. These are the priorities of the calls. These are ordered right now by priority party 1, 2, and so forth. And over here on the right we have a location and the destination. We have equipment that was used on a call, and we have a zone that they're in. We'll go ahead and close the dispatch module. Open up the tow module if I wanted to. What I'm showing you now is the general information screen, and we have pictures of the vehicles, this particular vehicle from different angles. There's actually 6 total pictures right here. If we look at the other 2 pictures, they're right here. We can double click on a picture and blow it up bigger if we want to. We can also print out a sheet for somebody that they want to sell the car, to give to somebody that's interested in buying the car. So this here is the general information screen. When you put a VIN in right here, it automatically figures out the year, make, and model of the car. So you don't have to actually put that in. I just put in a VIN, and it knows it's a 97 Toyota RAV4 4-door wagon. This is the notes field. If I right click in there, it'll currently fill in the current date and time automatically. And this is how I get to the billing screen. Notice this vehicle requires a release. We have old data in the system, so the computer is going to calculate things a little wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and change the clock in my computer, make it go back to an older date or a newer date. Let's call it March of 2013, March 25th. And now things should be closer. Let's go back to that picture with the car. There we go, there's one. Okay, so this is a little more realistic, the storage amount. There were huge dollar amounts before. There's a different car, because we can see the various pictures that go along with that car. There's 6 pictures for this one too. And here's pictures 5 and 6. This is picture 6, and you can see the VIN with a barcode. That's pretty good. I like that. If we go right here, we can click on that button. We can see all the other things that were scanned in to the computer. These were all documents that were scanned in. This is an enterprise invoice, it looks like, that was scanned in. Pretty exciting. This is a different car, different pictures. Again, a different car. You can tell FoxTow is very fast. It's because this program is not a cloud-based program. It's running locally on your computer. You own it. I can go through records on the billing screen as well. This is the items where we itemize the call. There's a $185 hook and tow, medium duty towing, another hook and tow. We have 15 miles at $4 a mile for a total of $100 to AMCO transmission. This is a charge. So pretty much the entire program consists of 3 screens. I mean, 3 primary screens. You have the dispatch screen if you have this particular module. And then you have the tow program, which has a front and back screen that goes along with it. And you can jump between the tow program and the dispatch module by just doing that.